Oh shoot, hold on. Oh jeez. The rods. Oh! So welcome to the Murray River. Super excited. We just parked and we're gonna start setting up now, and then we'll probably rig up and just enjoy the afternoon. And you know, that's what this trip's gonna be all about. Actually, we really want to catch some quality fish, right? But we're on holidays, man. So you know, we're gonna try and have an awesome, relaxing time doing so. We're here. How you feeling?
Pretty sweet.
Pretty sweet?
Pretty sweet.
The sun's beating down pretty hard on us, but it's alright because we can always go for a swim. So this is my cod box. There's some like solid, there's some solid stuff in here. This is the 𝗵𝗶𝗃. So this is actually the same one they got, the 𝗵𝗽𝗃𝗃 that I got on my first go. This is the frog as well. You got a stump jump, you got the stump jumpers, right? These 𝗏𝗃𝗃s will dive to like 6 meters. These are vibes, yeah. Drop it down, crank up and down. And so these are spinners. That's the game plan. Yeah. Alright, this is literally the setup we use. Just a running sinker straight to the hook. So that is one strip of chicken that we're going to thread through, and then it's just going to dangle in the water like that.
You got to lift it over this log if you land it.
Yep, I'm on.
Oh yes.
Yes. Oh, freak. Good one. Get the net. Good one. Good fish. Oh, tiny good fish. Damn, I thought it was bigger than that.
Yeah.
Trout cod. Just got ourselves a nice little trout cod. So he's eating on a piece of chicken.
It's a good hookup.
Yeah, so that was really nice. He was pretty hungry for some chicken because he whomped it pretty hard right there.
Oh.
So yeah, he's pretty small. We'll let him go. He's about what, 30? Yeah, 30 something.
Yeah, mid-30.
Maybe we'll take a nice little photo and then we'll let him go, I reckon.
Yeah,
let's do it. Oh, yes! Is he on? Yours on! He's on, people! Woohoo! Keep going. Doesn't matter. Yay! First one, you got the net? I think that's a trout cod, isn't it? Oi, there you go. Give us a bit of a smile. So, what did you get that one on? Cheese, the good old cheese. Say cheese, trout cod. Cheese. Well done, man. How do you feel catching the first one?
Oh, I'm pretty stoked.
Pretty stoked?
To be honest. Yeah, it was a little one.
It was a little one?
A
bit of an appetizer, isn't it?
Yeah, I didn't think I was going to catch anything. I didn't think cheese was a viable bait, but I guess it is.
That's funny. That's cool.
You're a footage person, are you?
We have a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Called the HungryHungryFishos.
Amazing.
This is our late night supper. Instant noodles.
Perpetuating the Asian stereotype.
Like all the time I'd be editing and there'd be drone footage and like magpies, they would just attack it.
Yeah. Yeah, I like it. It's like this.
Go for the nether regions.
Oh, you can confuse it with a boulder sometimes. When you load up, you're like, I think I'm snagged, and yet it moves.
There you go.
Oi, 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 oi!
Cheese!
Cheese! The cheese, bro! Geoff, tiny trout cod. Bring it in. Bring it in. Still worth a photo. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes. I think it's a little trouty. Feels a bit light. How's it looking? Boy! I got it. Hey, buddy. Guys, a trouty. Oh! You want the net? Oh, here we go. What is that? Oh, hey, that's it. Is that a Murray? Little Murray. Oh, yeah. Yes. Good catch, dude.
Thank you.
Awesome. What is it? Trouty. There you go. Oi! We're in. Nice little trouty.
Good way to finish the session.
What a way to finish the session. Oi! There you go, man. Nice little one. Hold on. Master Geoff. The camping edition. Oh, I can smell the curry. Oh, what do you guys got there?
Hang on, I need a little help with the turtle. I caught him on my fishing.
You caught him?
Yes.
Oh, nice. On your fishing rod. Oh, there you go. Whoa, it's a big turtle, isn't it? Oh. Next snag? The triple. That was where we were last time. So we can go those snags over there.
What do you reckon?
This is probably one big laydown, to be honest. I reckon those are the branches of the big tree.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, no, I don't want that. I'm not gonna make it.
Wait, we want it on our left, right?
Right, yeah. Oh shoot, hold on. Oh jeez. The rods. Oh! The rods.
Oh crap. Oh shoot.
Flip it over. Okay. Alright. Yeah, you got the other rod?
I've got my rod.
Just hold on to it, yeah? Just hold on to it, dude. They'll come and get us. Yeah. Oh, are you gonna able to flip it or? Oh, your tackle's still there.
Yeah, there's no shape.
That's fine. Yeah.
That was horrible.
Yeah. That was pretty bad. Huh? I'm holding on to something, dude. I seriously, no joke. I reckon I'm holding on to my rod. Oh, you're kidding. Yeah, jump in the boat, Geoff. Do you want to paddle back with me?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you can, that'll be good. And then... You alright? Alright, this is just like a nightmare and a half, eh? Oh my gosh. Alright, so we just got back from a capsized kayak. What happened was we went and our vertical rods hit the overhanging branch, and then and then it capsized the kayak. Man, I'm a bit cold and shaky. So we've lost, what did we lose?
Like $200 of lures.
Yeah, about $200 worth of cod lures, surface lures, pompies, and stump jumpers and spinners. I lost one thong. We surprisingly didn't lose any of our rods, actually. We grabbed hold of them. That was the first thing we went for, isn't it?
Yeah. Wasn't worried about drowning.
No, it wasn't worried about, yeah, just the rod, but we're all good. So we survived. Actually, we're not even hurt, actually. Yeah.
No.
So it's good. Shannon and Ash were real champions. They just hopped on the boat, came over and saved us right away. So that was really nice. But yeah, guys, just be careful when you get out there, eh? Just stay safe.
Don't do what we did.
Don't do what we did. Yeah. Oh man, I need a Sprite or something.